Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today, let me show you the super cool hat rack that I got for many of my hats on display. I have a ton of hats. I may have like, I don't know, more than 50, I think so. So I needed something about like this one. Actually, I got two of these ones, but I do want to show you this one that we put together with my wife in about 20 minutes, no more than that. It's a little bit tricky to put the side panels, so you gotta push them, but make sure that the two goes with the two and the ones goes with the one. There are like two on this side and one on this one, so you gotta push them and then put the kind of like the shelf on top of it, which is the tricky part. It's gonna take you about 20 minutes or so, no more than that. But then you have this 8-tier, and also this one is 50 inches deep, and I found that I can put about 40 hats in this one, just because I'm telling you, I think you can put up to 4 or 5 hats per container right here, per shelf right here, and it comes with this 8 tiers, and you can put on the top if you also want to just only put one in the top, but you can put on the top as well. But I do have to say that it's not, I think it's advertised to put in more than 4, more than 5. I don't recommend you that because it's gonna be kind of like messy and it's gonna start like falling off. So I do have to kind of like say that you can put up to 4 or 5 hats per container, per shelf. So it's gonna give you about in between 30 something or 40 hats that you can put inside of this one, which again, I do like how you can actually access to your hat just like that, putting the one that you use the most. It should be kind of like on first one first and then all the other ones. But I like it. I have to say that it's a really nice way to have your hats and within easy reach, but also in a nice display. Acrylic, easy assemble, 50 inches up to 8 tier, and you can put about like 32, 40 or 45 hats right here in this really nice display.